this physics tutorial on unit conversion 3. So please, if you've not watched our previous unit conversion videos, that's unit conversion 1, unit conversion 2, please, I think it would be best if you watch them before watching this one. Right? So in this video, we are going to learn how to convert between the, should I say between? We're going to convert between the units of time. It's basically conversion in time. So learn how to convert from minutes, seconds, hours. Right? So before we begin this video, let's remind ourselves of the conversion factors for time. So it's something we've been saying since as long as maybe when we were children. 60 seconds make 1 minute. 60 minutes makes 1 hour. And we're now going to include the 24 hours, 7 days, right? 24 hours, 1 day, sorry. What is very important for us here to note, probably we've not been including this one, is 1 hour is equals to 3,600 seconds. So these are the 3 things we should have in mind. If you've not, I think you have to memorize them. You have to memorize them because we need them as we begin to solve problems. So let's take our first example. EG1. We have to convert, sorry, this should be E. I don't know if this is legible enough. This is T. Convert 6 hours. To convert 6 hours to minutes. To convert 6 hours to minutes. So whenever you're faced with a challenge like this, you're converting from something to something, you have to use the formula that relates both of them. You have to use a conversion factor that relates both of them. So if you are converting from hours to minutes, right, you have to use a conversion factor that relates hours to minutes. So let's go back to this conversion factor. Which of them, among 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, which of them relates hours to minutes? So you could pause the video to think about it. Of course, it's the second one. It's the second one. So 60 minutes, it says it's 1 hour. So we bring it down here. So 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. Right? So that means, of course, you can reverse it for convenience, that 1 hour is equals to 6 minutes. So if 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, should I add an S? If 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, 6 hours will be, of course, 6 times 60. 6 times 60. So it will really be good if you watch our previous videos, because I had explained why 1 hour, 60 minutes, 6 hours should be 60 times 60. So I really like it if you watch our previous videos, because I had already explained why if 1 hour is 60 minutes, 6 hours should be 60 times 60. So this will mean that 6 hours is equal to 6 times 60 is 360 minutes. So that's it. We've successfully converted from 6 hours to minutes. It's really that simple. You just have to follow the steps very well and understand them. You could always pause it and chill when you need to. Okay, let's consider another example. Let's take another example. Okay, supposing let's call this EG2, example 2. Supposing you are to convert from 750 minutes to hour, right? So remember that, okay, solution. Remember that whenever you have to do something like this, use the conversion factor that relates the 2 units, right? So let's take a brief look at the conversion factors. If we are converting from minutes to hour, of course, we'll still use the second conversion factor. Which says that that 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. So since we are converting from minutes to hour, this time it's not from hours to minutes, from minutes to hour. We have to know the value of 1 hour in minutes. It's something that we explained explicitly in our preceding videos on units conversion. So if 60 minutes equals to 1 hour, the value of 1 minute in hour will be gotten by dividing both sides by 60. So divide both sides of the equation, talking about both sides of the equation, just abbreviated as EQN, equation by 60. So when we do that, this is what we'll get. 60 minutes will be divided by 60, and to be equal to 1 hour will be divided by 60 hours. Right? So 60 will cancel 60 up here once. So we'll be left with 1 minute. So that means we've achieved our goal. So 1 minute is now 1 over 60 hour. So if 1 minute is 1 over 60 hours, 60 minutes will be equals to 750 minutes, beg your pardon. We are converting 750 minutes. 750 minutes will be equals to 750 times 1 over 60 hour, right? So now 0 can cancel 0, 0 can cancel 0, and if you do this will be there with 75 times 1, that will be 75 divided by 6. That should give you 12.5 hour. So you could say that 70 minutes equals to, is equivalent of 12.5 hours. So it's really that simple. Okay, so that's it for this video. So today, let's a quick recap of what we have done. We've looked at how to convert from minutes to hour and from hours from hour to minutes, right? So we did the first example, and this is the second example. The first example converted hour to minute, and this was minutes to hour. So very important, very crucial. We have to put at the back of our mind our conversion factors. They will assist us in conversion between one unit to the other. So remember, you could always watch this video again and again and again. If there is anything you don't understand still, you message us or through our mail, or you comment in our comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be notified of our subsequent videos.